Hi guys, my name is Dick and I am one of the members of the Xpeng user committee. I visited with Violawant, also member, China on invitation of Xpeng. Xpeng did that because of our contribution to the international Xpeng community on Discord. As a user committee, we built a community of over 5,500 members, and still growing. Not only owners, but also people who are still exploring the brand. Through tutorials, frequently asked questions, and helping each other with questions, we support our members. And we also collect ideas and issues which we pass on to the teams in China. Also, we organized an event at the Royal Palace in the Netherlands 2 years ago. That was really great. This was a great opportunity to get to know Xpeng much better. And of course, I was very curious to experience electric mobility in China, on the road, in the air, and even on the water. And China is far ahead of Europe. Scooters, cars, buses, ships, almost everything is electric. And the future has just begun. We joined a program organized by Xpeng for the international press. Together with the Portuguese YouTuber Hugo, I was the only customer there, so it made it very special because we were the only ones who know the cars very well. We visited the headquarters and the factory, including a demonstration of the flying car, the Airridge, in Guangzhou. After that, we flew to Beijing, where we attended several presentations about the design process, the powertrain, and intelligent driving.
And I'm really a bit scared because I will explain.
I'm not from the media, I'm an owner. I was one of the first owners of a G9 in the Netherlands.
I also took part in a kind of blind test to see how autonomous driving performs. We had to guess who was actually driving, the human driver or the system, and it was really hard to guess who did it. After that, I had the chance to experience autonomous driving myself. During a ride of about 40 minutes, I could really see how it performs. It was really impressive. I didn't have to intervene once during the entire ride. Not even in unexpected situations like obstacles on the road or cars making unusual maneuvers. In China, cars using autonomous driving are required to have blue indicator lights. On the last day, we visited the Beijing Auto Show. With 380,000 square meters, it's the largest auto show in the world. I was really impressed by how Xpeng operates. Everything is highly efficient and professional. They produce around 600 cars per day, with a clear focus on quality. It was a very special experience. I grew up with the idea that China was a poor and underdeveloped country. That's definitely no longer the case, especially when it comes to electric mobility. They are far, far ahead of us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community on Discord.